So let us start with the clean function first. So what we have is the clean function. Okay, so clean function, it removes all the non-printable character. This is a clean syntax. So the syntax is you will, so clean and text. Okay, so if we are referring, we can, this text can be referred, right? So text is any sheet information from which you would want to remove the non-printable characters. So let us see how we can use the print function. Okay, so these are your, if you see the non-printable characters that are there, okay, we want to remove these non-printable characters. So how we do is, okay, as we can see that, okay, the structure is clean. Okay, so we'll write over here clean, okay, and we'll refer this. Okay, right. So what we have, what we will see is, okay, you have IN and after that lots of items are there. If I do this clean, okay, it will give me India. So all these unwanted characters are removed. So this is what our intention was to get. If you clean, we will get this. So these unwanted characters come if you are working on mainframe computers, or if you have taken data from somewhere else, copying, pasting, during that time you can utilize this to remove this type of character. Okay, the next is trim character. So trim function, so trim function, it will remove all the spaces, okay, except for single spaces between the words. So it will, if you have a single space between the word, it will not remove those. Okay, so argument it will take is text. Okay, and if you see, so we can do the text. Okay, and I would have to do the value. Okay, now there is also a format text is there, we don't have to worry as of now. Okay, so sorry, we have to do the trim, sorry, not that. So trim will take only this text function. Okay, right. If I press enter, what happens is between India and is, there are lots of spaces. Okay, but it will remove all the spaces except one. So you find that there is a one space remaining. So this will be the uses of your trim function. Right. Then the next function that we have is the exact function. As we saw that exact function will compare two string and it will return true if they are exactly the same. Okay, otherwise it will return false. Okay, exact is case sensitive. Okay, but it will ignore formatting difference. Okay, right. So what they are saying is use exact to test the text that is being entered into a document. So the syntax of exact is it will take two argument. Okay, text 1 and text 2. Text 1 is the first string and text 2 is the second string. So what we have is over here, if you see, I have text 1 is my India, okay, and the text 2 is my India, and here instead of I am having Y. So we want to know whether the text 1 and text 2 are same. So manually we can see that, okay, this is different than this, but how do the computer know? So what you have to do is you have to write equal to and then you have to write exact. Okay, you refer the first string over here which is your A5, okay, and then comma, okay, you have to refer to B5. Okay, so if true means they are same, okay, false means they are not. So let us see. Okay, let us apply. Here we will put exact, okay, and text 1, okay, comma text 2, okay, enter. So it is saying false. Okay, it means that these are not same. Okay, now let us drag this fill down, right? So my India and this my India, okay, even though both are India, but you can see that here you have, okay, India starts with capital I, here you have with small I. So as a result these are false, okay, right? And these two are correct, so are same. So you, as a result it returns the true value. So that is a thing difference you see. The next function that we have is the use of the proper function. So proper function, it is, as the description is saying, it will capitalize the first letter. So you will find that in the Microsoft Word you have that capitalization is there in when you see in the font. So it will capitalize. So let's say if I am having, let's say, Ratan and Gupta, okay, so what it will do is it will capitalize and it will create like this, Ratan Gupta. So that is the idea. So capitalizing the first letter. Okay, many times you use this type of thing. So what happens is the syntax is simple, proper, and the argument is only one text. So let us see. Okay, so what they are saying is, okay, use the proper here, and know that this is your self practice. So I am keeping these are item for the self practice. So let us see what we'll do is we'll put proper, okay, and this list of function. So what you see over here, this function was capital, okay, it got transformed to only f being capital, and list L was small of the at the start, so this has become capital. So your list of function has this has changed. So this is your uses of the proper, right? Let us see the next item. This is your upper. Okay, so as the name suggests that it will make the uppercase. So here if you see the text, okay, so the description convert the text to uppercase. Okay, the syntax is upper text. Okay, so it only takes one argument. So if you write Ratan, okay, it will convert to everything to the uppercase. So what we see is over here. Okay, let's see. So we'll put upper and this text. So if you see this, warning is given was small, and this warning is given is become all caps, right? Then earlier we had upper, now we have exactly the opposite, that is your lower. So lower means it will convert all the items to your lowercase. So convert to lowercase, syntax is lower, take the text. So what it will do is, okay, it will lower this. So if you see, all that item have been converted to lower.